Hello and welcome. My name is Tair Nashanov. I'm a practicing advocate in Kazakhstan with over 30 years of legal experience in business law, contract disputes, and representing both Kazakh and foreign clients. Today's topic is a critical one: legal red flags in business deals with locals in Kazakhstan. If you are foreigner planning to start a company, invest in real estate, or enter into a joint venture here, you may meet many trustworthy, smart, and capable partners. But like in any country, not all deals are safe and not all partnerships are equal. There are certain warning signs, legal red flags, that should make you pause and reconsider before signing anything or transferring funds. Let's go through the most common red flags that I've seen over the years and how you can protect yourself from legal, financial, or reputational harm. Number one, lack of written agreement, or let's keep it simple approach. One of the biggest mistakes foreign investors make is relying on verbal agreements or vague promises. A local partner may say, "Trust me, we don't need to make it complicated. It's how business is done here," or even, "the paperwork will come later." Red flag. If someone avoids a clear written contract, run. Under Kazakh law, verbal promises are not enforceable in serious transactions like business formation, investment, or real estate. What to do? Always insist on a formal contract, preferably bilingual, Kazakh, Russian, and English, reviewed by a licensed local lawyer. Every role, obligation, timeline, and payment must be written down. Number two, will register the company in my name. Sometimes your local partner offers to register the business in their own name to make things easier. Maybe because they say you need a residence permit or that's faster, but that means you have no legal ownership. You cannot control the bank account. They can exclude you anytime. Red flag. Your name is missing from official documents like the charter, shareholder register, or bank powers. What to do? Even, even if you are foreigner, you can legally be a founder or shareholder in Kazakhstan. If residency is an issue, use official nominee structures, not informal ownership, and always demand certified copies of registration documents. Number three, vague payment terms or under the table deals. Some deals may involve cash payments, unclear price breakdowns, or off the record agreements. This can include well settled later promises or requests to split payments across personal accounts. Red flag. No invoice, no bank receipt, no clear financial flow. What to do? All payments should be made through traceable bank transfers. Get receipts. Use formal invoicing. Ensure taxes are declared and reflected in the company's accounting. This protects you from both fraud and tax risk. Number four, power of attorney abuse. You may be asked to sign a broad power of attorney, giving full control to a local partner to act on your behalf. Open accounts, sign deals, or seal assets. This can be extremely risky. Red flag. You don't fully understand the content of the POA, or it's overly broad. What to do? Never sign a POA without having a lawyer review it. Limit it by date, scope, and transaction type, and make sure it can be revoked anytime. Number five, no independent legal or financial advice. Your local partner may say, "Don't worry, I have a lawyer," or "My accountant handles everything," but those professionals are working for them, not you. Red flag, you are being told not to bring in your own legal advisor. What to do? Hire your own independent lawyer, someone not tied to your partner. You have the right to clear, objective advice. A local expert can tell you if the deal complies with Kazakh law, international standards, and tax regulations. Number six, promises without documentation. Your partner promises future profit, government grants, or exclusive access to land, but offers no documents to prove it. Red flag. You hear things like, "Don't worry, I have connections," or "I'll get you the paperwork later." What to do? Trust facts, not relationships. Ask for licenses, permits, government letters, ownership documents. If something is promised in the future, put a condition in the contract. For example, this payment is contingent upon receiving X document by I date. Number seven, refusal to share access to financials or company information. You are in a partnership but cannot see the bank statements, invoices, or who is being paid. This is not only suspicious, it is a red flag for fraud, tax evasion, or embezzlement. Red flag, lack of transparency in accounting and no access to company reporting. What to do? Make sure your corporate charter guarantees you access to financial data. Appoint your own accountant if needed, and set up audit rights from the beginning. And final advice. Doing business in Kazakhstan can be profitable, efficient, and safe, but only if you take the legal side seriously. Don't rush. Don't trust verbal deals. Don't rely on promises. Instead, use licensed lawyers. Sign clear bilingual contracts. Verify every document. Keep written proof of all transactions. Stay involved in the legal and financial side of your business. And remember, business is not just about trust, it is about structure, documentation, and legal protection. If you handle that correctly from the start, your business in Kazakhstan will have a strong and stable foundation. Thank you for listening. I'm Tahir Nashanov. If you are thinking about starting a company, investing, or entering into a partnership in Kazakhstan, feel free to reach out. I will be glad to help you stay informed, structured, and protected. See you next time and stay legally safe.